Welcome to the Explainer. Let's jump straight into 5 completely hidden tricks for Excel and data visualization.
Still wasting hours on manual data entry for your dashboards? Seriously, that frustration ends today.
First step, just type one example, hit Ctrl-E, and boom, Excel autofills the entire thing instantly.
This literal game changer takes a grueling 10-minute task and slashes it down to just 5 seconds.
Next, ditch the static sheets. Use simple slicers to build professional, fully interactive dashboards in seconds.
One click updates it all. People will literally ask how you built this company-level masterpiece.
Trick 3, conditional formatting. It magically transforms a boring wall of numbers into instant, color-coded insights.
Now for trick 4. Here is a huge secret. Never ever pick your charts at random. The golden rule: bar charts for comparisons, lines for trends, and pie charts only when absolutely necessary.
Finally, the ultimate cheat code. We're combining AI tools with Excel to instantly generate super complex formulas. You know, it really all boils down to one simple philosophy. Work smarter, not longer.
So, with these massive time savers right at your fingertips, what exactly are you going to automate next? Huge thanks to Pixology for these secrets, master your data, and thanks for joining this explainer.